Yes, scientists have found that crying is good for health. But before that, if you want to know more latest health facts and tips like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. As experts were able to establish that tears are good for human health. In fact, they are necessary. Number 1. For emotional discharge. Stress tends to accumulate, leading to various diseases and psychological problems. Therefore, you should not constantly keep negative emotions to yourself. If it becomes easier for you, then it is better to cry than to keep your face in the eyes of others. Number 2. Helps restore skin during wounds. This statement was established during the observation of wounded animals. If the animal cried, their wounds healed much faster. Number 3. Help to improve the condition of a bruise. Number 4. It plays the role of a specific anesthetic. When you cry, you can step back and be distracted from pain. Number 5. Tears contains a fluid known as lysozyme that can kill bacteria and keeps your eye clean. So, next time you feel emotional, do not forget to let go your tears. Be healthy, be happy always. Remember to stay tuned with this channel. See you later and thanks for watching.